How to share ETA on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to the end of the page and tap on Apps. This section lists all your installed applications, allowing you to manage individual settings and permissions for each one. Now, scroll through the list until you find and tap on Maps. In the Map settings, scroll down to find the Share ETA section and simply tap on the switch to turn it on. The feature is now enabled, and it allows you to automatically share your estimated time of arrival with your contacts. Following these steps, you can easily enable Share ETA on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.